Hi y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing an unboxing of my new baby. What do you think we got, y'all? My name is King Ariel and I'm a content creator who focuses on lifestyle and travel content. So y'all know I had some drama with my first birthday gift. We ordered the Rogue 31, we got somebody to return item, it was missing pieces, we sent that back. We then ordered the Rogue 31 again. We then ordered the Rogue 31 again, only to have it never shipped. A month later, still hadn't shipped. Talking about no inventory. Child, declined that, canceled that order. Was online. Y'all know that Coach drops their last chance deals on Tuesday nights. So this past Tuesday night, I was on there looking at the websites and Big Mama showed up. Y'all, tell me why did I pick up this Big Mama? Tell me why. Child, look at her. Okay, so I think we got all the styrofoam off. On the inside, you do have the front pocket. The front pocket is pretty deep, so you see how deep it is. You do have a card slot. I heard that people who use public transportation like to put their bus pass cards there because it's easy access. But you do have the screws. So the screws are here, which then attach to the handle. So that's why you have those two silver grommets there on the inside. The inside is not leather. I repeat, the inside is not leather. The inside is this canvas material. It kind of gives me like denim, like a black denim. So on the inside zipper compartment, you do have a slip pocket with button snap closure. It is trimmed in the saddle leather. You got a storyboard. This is pretty big. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is literally the whole entire length of the bag, and it's pretty deep. It does have two zipper pull tabs. So technically, you could lock this if you wanted to. If you have like your own TSA lock or whatever, you could technically lock this to keep people from going in your bag. And on the back side, you do have one big slip pocket, and the pocket goes all the way down. Both of the slip pockets, well, this slip pocket in the front, that's a card holder, is actually leather. And then this one on the back is canvas with a leather line. This is listed as style number CAN10. This is the Denim Patchwork Rogue bag. It says it was made in Vietnam. These Rogue handles are different than the new Rogue handle. They feel a lot sturdier. I do feel like these are more comfortable in the hand. You do have the grommets here for if you want to carry the shoulder straps or if you want to carry it crossbody. I may do some mod shots at the end with those. We're not gonna get to that now. Probably gonna grab some coffee after this video. I done too much rambling on. Y'all make sure y'all hit me up in the comments below. And once again, I thank y'all so much for sticking with me this Saturday morning. Love ya. Bye-bye.